Sharon and welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry Blossom. It's a space that revolves around all things Japan. Today's video is about Japanese honorifics. Ready to learn something new? Let's go. So honorifics are a huge deal in Japan. They are a way of showing a person respect and acknowledging that person's designation. Over here, it's kind of uncommon to call somebody by their first name without following it up with an honorific. It could be anybody like friends, family, relatives, people that you meet on the road. You have to use an honorific while you're living here. Allow me to introduce you to some of the important ones here. Lego. Number 1, son. It's the most popular and safest honorific to use while addressing Mr., Miss or Mrs. For example, Yamada-san, Tanaka-san. You can also use son to address a colleague who's at the same rank as you. Number 2, sama. It's like the formal version of san. It's polite and more respectable. It's used to address clients, guests, customers, and even kings and emperors. 3, kun for young boys and fo, chan for young girls. Some Japanese men also use chan for girls who they are close to and have a special connection with. Think Naruto and Sakura's relationship. Number 5, sensei. Most of you guys already know this word because of anime. Yes, it means teacher, professor, professional, master. You can either call a person sensei or their surname plus sensei. Interestingly, the honorifics for doctor is also sensei. Random quiz time, guys. What is the Japanese word for doctor? Answer in the comment section below right now. 6, senpai. It's used to address your senior at work or at school. And that's about it, guys. These are the most important and basic Japanese honorifics to use if you live in Japan or learning the language for the first time. So I can also do a part 2 version of this where I speak about Japanese positions and job titles. Let me know if that topic interests you in the comment section below. And if you like this video, learn something new from it and want more videos like this, please leave a like, a happy comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next weekend. Bye. Take care for now.